tragic, and this kind of an accident we have not really seen in India's aviation history in the recent past. That's what we can tell our viewers. And the information is now trickling in. The focus clearly is on the rescue operation. Priyank Tripathi, what more details can you share with us in terms of the rescue operation so far? Air India has issued another statement saying that this flight, had about 242 people on board, which included 232 passengers and rest were crew members. There were 169 Indian nationals in total, 53 British nationals, 1 Canadian national and 7 Portuguese nationals. There's a dedicated helpline number as well that we're also flashing at the bottom of our screens right now. But what is the update that you have got from the airport authorities in Ahmedabad specifically in terms of the rescue operation? What kind of impact did this crash have on the area where it actually crashed?
According to airport officials, initially they were not confirmed that which flight had landed, had done this crash landing. The fumes, the visuals of the smoke could have been seen from the runway. It could have been seen from all those passengers who were trying to board the next flight, which was an Indigo flight, which is taking off from Terminal 1. So this rescue operation is certainly not coming under the airport authorities. It is coming under the local body's jurisdiction because it has happened in the civilian area. Just a short while back, we got a statement from the local police officers who are continuing the rescue operation. But what we can tell you to viewers that the smoke has been doused off. The cooling process is still going on because the manner in which this explosion has happened, it will take more time for the fire department officials and the rescue team officials to cool off the process. The fire department officials, the local police, the NDRF and other Central Reserve Forces team have also been rushed to the spot. Recently, we saw that there was a major, event which was organized in Ahmedabad also. So the teams were already on high alert. We know that the kind of preparations which have been done in Ahmedabad, they were actually prepared for any kind of untoward situation. Right. In this particular situation, what we can sense from the ground that the teams are very much there at the crash site. Our teams are also there. The bodies are trying to be found. There have been many bodies which have been taken out from
and Priyank, the casualties, like I was saying earlier, is not just of the passengers on board. It is also going to be of individuals who were in that building when the crash landing took place. Let me bring in Captain Wadia. Captain Wadia, whatever happened just happened in 5 minutes, within 5 minutes. That's what we're given to understand, because the takeoff happens at 1:38. 1:43 is when the crash is reported. In your experience, what could go wrong in that window after that fateful takeoff?
There is absolutely no taking a call on what happened, because something really drastic has happened. If there is a normal emergency like an engine failure or a bird hit or some such emergency, the pilot could have easily handled it and continued the takeoff. Here, something unusual has happened, so there's no point in speculating something which is totally strange. In fact, the visuals that you have shown just now are not very realistic, because the aircraft has reached about 625 feet.
No, there are some graphics. There are some graphics, but the real-time videos are also on screen. The graphics is for, for the people to understand what could have transpired. What you see right now is the real footage.
Right. So if the aircraft has reached 625 feet and if it comes down uncontrolled and crashes, you won't have a single survivor, I'm sure. This I can see very clearly that the pilot is in control and he has very little time. From the time the emergency must have happened and from the time it has actually crashed, could be not even a minute or so, because it's come down at the rate of descent and he has done a crash landing, tried to save as much as he could. So I think the pilot has done a very good job in trying to keep the aircraft with the minimum damage.
Absolutely. Captain Wadia, at the moment, of course, the entire focus is on the rescue operation to ensure that the teams on ground save as many people as they can. It's a critical moment, a critical hour. The initial few hours are very important when you carry out a rescue operation. But, soon the conversation around passenger safety will begin.
Right. As far as something that hits me straight away but there's no point in talking about safety issues right now. We'll talk about it later. First question I had in mind is, I'm sure the flight from Ahmedabad to London was well over 9 hours. Why were there only 2 pilots on board? There are flight and duty time limitations, but all those things can be seen much later, not at this point in time. This is not the right time for it.
Absolutely. Like I said, these conversations will soon start. For the teams who are present on ground, for them, rescue operation is a priority, and it is for the authorities and the government as well, Pragya, isn't it?
Absolutely. Mr. Amit Shah, Home Minister, is also en route to Ahmedabad. Civil Aviation Minister is already en route to Ahmedabad, and in fact, the CM has been called. The Home Minister of Gujarat is also rushing towards the airport, and also stock taking is going on. In fact, Prime Minister has spoken to Civil Aviation Minister and also to Home Minister Amit Shah about the this tragic incident. And in fact, every direction has been given to ensure that every support should be needed, every injured should be given adequate medical facility and care, and in fact, any life that can be saved should be saved. And in fact, not just that, the family members are the most pained, and they must be in a dilemma whether their family member is saved or whether the family member has lost life. So all of that is to be taken care of. In fact, BJP President Mr. JP Nadda has also spoken to ministers, and also C.R. Patil, who is also the Pradesh State President of BJP. They have been told to extend every sort of help to the family members, to give every kind of detail that they would need to ensure that there are enough. There is the call centers, and also if you need to inquire on something, that number should be working operational, and every sort of detail that they would need, because they must be very it is a painful moment for them to even imagine that their family member would be on board, and he's not likely to survive. It's a very tragic situation that has taken place. So every sort of help that need to be extended should be extended. In fact, many teams from here in the capital, from Aviation Ministry, has also gone to Ahmedabad to assess and investigate the accident. Every detail is every detail needs to be taken care of, and not just that, Prime Minister office needs to be updated on a regular basis about this particular accident. We are given to understand Mr. Rupani was also one of the passengers, but for the government, it is the priority to ensure that everyone who can be saved must be saved. Not even a single lacuna should be left. And in fact, all people of the administration have the important person, the CMs, the Home Minister, they all have rushed, in fact, to ensure that every kind of support that can be extended.
There's a meeting which is underway at the Civil Aviation Ministry as well. Let me bring in Mohit. Mohit, the priority of the government and the authorities also is to ensure that people are informed about their near and dear ones, because one can't even imagine the pain that the family members are going through, the struggle of those who are not getting any information about people who were on board that flight.